We set up Explore 20 years ago now, operating alongside school with the aim of trying to transform the lives of children. Pre-COVID, we had 37,000 members, and all those member sessions happened in centre. We had to get to a situation where we could serve all of those members online. We wanted it to be highly engaging for kids, but to have a very sophisticated logic engine so that it adapted to children and the progress they were making. We now have a completely bespoke system developed for us by Talk, Think, Do, and they call it the Think platform.
Tutor Think Do were brilliant to work with because it was a brand new solution that nobody had done across the country, and so we knew that we were trying to do something really amazing. The platform is delightful to look at, and what it does brilliantly is it brings across the look and feel and the energy we've always housed at our physical centres. Everything works cohesively. It means that from a parent point of view, we are able to provide real clarity, professionalism, and ultimately the best care for the child, which is really important for us.
Over 1 million questions are being answered each week by Explore Kids, and so it's giving us an enormous amount of data so we can then optimise the mastery criteria for different skills. The parent can go onto Navigator and see what they're working on, what they're going to be working on in the next session. And our NPS scores have gone up and up. We've got endless possibilities that just were never available to us.
Because the systems are under our own control, we really have autonomy on what we do with them and how we update them. And it means that any feedback we're getting from parents, members of staff and managers, we're able to implement. It's fantastic. We're able to move with the times.
Talk, Think, Do were really great because they were the experts in the field of what was going to be most reliable, most cost effective, and what was ultimately going to give us the best results. And because we had a clear vision and we were all unified on that, there are less workarounds and more it just works.
They got us, they understood what we were passionate about, and we worked together on a weekly, a daily, sometimes hourly basis. We're really developing Explore in a new way, and we can only do that because of the tools that we are being able to develop.
It's reassuring that everything that we built sits on a Microsoft platform. There's an underlying dependability, and we would never have been able to develop ourselves. Talk, Think, Do were very strategic and intelligent in the way that they set it up. We now have this fast-moving plan, and we have a fantastic platform on which to take advantage of all kinds of opportunities. It's been a real game changer for us.